Hi, I'm Mel. I'm from Denver, Colorado. Here on the hill, I play ice hockey. I'm also the senior class vice president, and I'm really excited for some of my friends to take you on the tour. Let's start with beers.
Hi, I'm Adit Desai. I'm from Hawthorne, California, and I play hockey, lacrosse, and I'm currently the student body president. And this is Beers Hall. This is the first floor of Beers, and this is also where you'll find the admissions office. This is the second floor of Beers, and this is also where you'll find the Deering Chapel, which is currently being used as a student lounge during the day and for after-school activities afterwards. We have an ongoing tradition at Kents Hill where if something good happens, then we'll come and ring the bell. So for example, if a sports team wins a game, or if a baby is born, or even if a student saves a cat from a tree. And now you're off to the ski hill.
Hi, my name is Anthony. I'm from Czech Republic. I love to ski, love to working out and play soccer. And now we are here at the Alpine Training Center. Sometimes I hang out here with my friends in the lounge. Actually, I won my first race here. So obviously I cannot ski right now, but during winter I'm here all the time. I hope you enjoy the view, and now we are off to Bodmin.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I take part in alpine skiing, photography, and baseball. Welcome to the Bodmin Performing Arts Center. The Bodmin is one of our older buildings, established in 1931. This is where we have all of our theater productions and music classes. This semester I'm taking an independent study in music theory and performance on the marimba. Around the corner is the Williams Woodworking Studio.
Hi, my name is Naomi Balin. I'm from Ottawa, Ontario. I like spending a lot of time on the turf with my friends, playing hockey, and I really enjoy my community design and build class here at the Williams Woodworking Studio. Last year I took a green woodworking class and I made a wooden spoon and a wooden bench. There are plenty of different tools that you can be using in the wood shop. My favorites are the bandsaw and the table saw. For my community design and build class, we are creating a story walk for the Reedfield Library. Now you're off to Reed Hall.
Hi, I'm Lori. I'm from Montreal, Canada. Things that I like to do here is play hockey, do art, and spend time with my friend. And this is Reed Hall. Here in Reed Hall is the upperclassmen dorm. So here you have the juniors, the seniors, and the postgraduate. On our left in main hall, you have the freshmen and the sophomore, which are the two girl dorms on campus. Actually, Reed Hall is where I actually sleep. This is my dorm. And something that I really like and make me feel like home here is that sometimes the faculty parents will bring us food and smoothies, and we just hang out in the lounge together and bond together. And now that we're done here, we're off to the Alphon Dining Commons.
Hi, I'm Eva. I'm from New Brunswick, Canada. This is Matt. He's from Boulder, Colorado, and we're both playing soccer, lacrosse, and we are both student ambassadors at Kents Hill. And this is the dining common. My favorite thing to do here is arts and crafts. Sometimes we can make paintings or we will make jewelry.
On the weekend, I like to come down here to watch movies and study. A lot of times I come down here to grab a bite to eat. Now you're on your way to the Alphon Athletic Center, just past our turf fields.
Hi, I'm David. I'm from the Czech Republic. I do ice hockey, I run track, and do a little bit of basketball. And right now, we're on the turf fields. Apart from practicing here or playing games on the turf, a lot of people usually hang around during the weekends and play some games or just enjoy the weather. The turf is being used by our soccer team in the fall, and our lacrosse team and softball team and a few others in the spring. The turf field is located right next to the Alphon Athletic Center and down the hill from the Alphon Dining Commons.
Hi, I'm Maddie Sheffield. I'm from Saratoga, New York. I play soccer, ice hockey, and lacrosse, and this is the Alphon Athletic Center. At the Alphon, we have an NHL-sized ice rink. I personally spend a lot of time here since I'm an ice hockey player, and it is one of my favorite places. On the other side, we have a basketball court. It's a really fun place for people to come play and practice. We also have a weight room where athletic teams come to work out together. Your next stop is the Aiken Learning Center.
Hi, my name is Kelly Scott. I'm from Belfast, Maine. I play softball and field hockey. I love to write, and I'm also a proctor on campus. This is the Aiken Learning Center. The Aiken Learning Center is home to a lot of different things. For instance, the juniors and seniors come here for college counseling. All of the student body comes here regardless though, just to hang out, to do some extra studying, typically during X blocks or during study hall. This was the Aiken Learning Center, now off to Dunn.
Hi, my name is Amit Ananda and I'm from Augusta, Maine. Some of my interests are skiing, tennis, and I'm a big science fan. This building here is a Dunn Science Hall. This year I'm taking AP Calculus AB, College Physics 1, and AP Environmental Science. Sometimes in my classes we go down to the waterfront or the trails, or we just go to somewhere like a place around campus and we'll just do different field studies and different case studies about campus. So at Dunn there's also an observatory up at the top where classes such as astrophysics will go up and look at the stars. And now you'll be visiting the Bass Art Studio.
Hi, I'm Rose. I'm from Kents Hill, and here at school I play basketball and track and field, and I also like to draw and play the guitar. And this is the Bass Visual Arts Center. So on the first floor we have the ceramic studio where you can learn to make clay sculptures. Also on the same floor we have a drawing studio where we can draw, paint, and use other mixed media, like making paper sculptures. On the second floor we have the more digital side. We have a Mac lab where we can use software such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. And now you're heading to Sampson Hall.
Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and my three interests are basketball, drawing, and hanging out with friends, and this is Sampson Hall. This is a dorm for sophomores, juniors, seniors, and post-grad boys. Sampson too, I mostly hang out with my friends. We mostly meet up in the lounge and watch movies, eat food, and just have a good time. Actually, before my brother graduated, we were roommates. There are two other dorms on this campus for boys. One is Wesleyan and the other one is Davis. Now you're off to the Cochrane Library.
Hi, my name is Jackson. I'm from Winthrop, Maine. I'm a day student at Kents Hill. I golf, ski, I'm a part of student council, and I'm also a tour guide. Right now I'm standing in front of the Cochrane Library in Sampson Hall. The library is a great place for students to sit on the couch, play a board game. In addition, it has a ton of materials for students taking independent studies. And finally, in the back, you can find some very neat art installations. And right now, I'll send you off to Ricker.
Hi, I'm Phoebe Simpson. I'm from Norwell, Massachusetts. I do ceramics, play softball, and I'm on the student council. And this is Ricker Hall. Ricker is where the English classes take place. This is also where some of the peak program classes happen. There's a really nice student lounge upstairs. And now back to Mel at Bierce.
I hope you had a great tour, and I can't wait to see you on the Hill.